You're watching news headlines on mining.com. I'm Devin Murrigan. Copper has overtaken iron ore as BHP's top earnings driver, marking a major shift for the world's largest mining company. The company reported half-year underlying profit of $6.2 billion, beating expectations as strong copper prices boosted returns. Copper contributed nearly $8 billion in operating earnings. It surpassed iron ore for the first time and delivered more than half of total profits. Shares jumped 7% to a record high, with investors welcoming a stronger than expected dividend of 73 cents per share. Demand for copper is surging as artificial intelligence data centers expand and the global transition to clean energy accelerates. Now, BHP says it will grow its copper business to capture long-term demand for the critical metal. Canada and Mexico are preparing a joint action plan to strengthen cooperation on minerals, infrastructure and supply chains. Mexico's Economy Minister Marcelo Ebrard says the plan will be presented later this year following talks with Canada's Trade Minister Dominic LeBlanc in Mexico City. The initiative aims to boost investment, expand trade and reduce regulatory barriers between the two countries. Officials say it will help secure critical mineral supply chains as global competition intensifies. A Mexican Finance Ministry delegation is also expected to visit Canada soon to advance the discussions. The global battery metals market is roaring back to life. Surging electric vehicle demand has pushed raw material spending above $2 billion for the first time since 2023. Data from Toronto-based EV supply chain advisory Adamas Intelligence shows global EV battery capacity deployment is set to exceed 1 terawatt-hour in 2025, nearly 4 times the level seen just 4 years ago. The global passenger EV market also surpassed 30 million vehicles last year, marking a 20% increase from a year earlier. Battery capacity deployment, that's a key indicator of metal demand, jumped 25%, highlighting surging consumption of lithium, nickel and other battery materials. Now, rising prices and stronger demand signal a decisive turn for battery metals after a prolonged slump that hurt raw material producers. Canada's largest gold miner, Agnico Eagle Mines, has reported record gold reserves and a sharp jump in profit as higher gold prices boosted earnings. Gold reserves rose 2.1% to a record 55.4 million ounces, supported by exploration success and the addition of the Marban deposit. Annual profit surged 135%, allowing the company to raise its dividend to shareholders. Now, the updated reserve and resource figures reflect continued investment in exploration and project development. Well, that's where we leave your news headlines for now.